Spelling list. Primary 3, Term 1, Spelling 4. 1. Mary slammed the door in anger when her sister refused to share her toys with her. 2. The children stared at the exhibit curiously as they wondered what it was. 3. As the bicycle was locked and he had lost the key, he had no choice but to walk home. 4. The shopkeeper chased the shoplifter and caught him with the help of a passerby. 5. Please do not embarrass me with your bad manners, Mom chided me. 6. He was so tired when he got home that he flopped on the sofa. 7. The eyes of goldfishes are as round as marbles. 8. The bullies were nasty and mean, and often made unkind remarks about someone. 9. During our visit to the zoo, we saw amazing creatures, such as chameleons. 10. Ben has butterflies in his stomach as he was preparing for his performance.